So in this video, we're going to focus on part B of the Flying Heavy Cavalry. This is the front of the box. This is the left hand side of the box, 10 Legion Flying Heavy Cavalry B. The back of the box. The right hand side of the box said the same thing, 10th Legion Flying Heavy Cavalry B. The bottom of the box and the top. Now let's get it out of the plastic. So here it is out of the plastic. Nice image. This is the figure and all the accessories that it comes with. Let's get it out of the box. So here it is out of the box, and the accessories that it comes with this knife and 2 set of hands, one open grabbing hand and closed hands. Put this here. Comes with this handgun. It's different from the other one, the part A. Minigun. The minigun is the same as part A. The assault rifle, also the same as part A. Different head. Pretty nice looking. Not bad on the paint job. And the wings. Pretty cool. And like all the other figures, it comes with this thing to show all the body parts. And the accessories that it comes with. And here's the bad boy. Let's look at the figure now. Let's look at the head. Pretty nice looking figure. Let's look at the armor. Pretty nice. Awesome. Let's look at the articulation. Head. Let's see. He does the exorcist all the way around. Oh, man down, man down. Up. About that much. Down. About that much. You can't really tell much about the neck rocker because the armor and the scarf gets in the way. Now to its left, it tilts that way, that much. To its right, that much. Not bad. Arm. You could little. Yeah, you could strike a T-pose. And the armor stays in place. It's not coming apart. You can go 360 because of the armor on the shoulder. It doesn't have a bicep swivel, and it's single jointed elbow. You could reach above 90 degree on the elbow, but you can't put it straight up because again the armor gets in the way. Wrist, nah, down about that much, up, not great. See this one has the wave. Sorry guys, this one has a wave. Anyway, not great. The articulation is not great because he has too much things, too much armor and stuff. They should, I don't know. It's kind of hard to engineer so much into a figure and then have it with, amazing articulation. That's kind of close to impossible. Okay, torso articulation, you can't see it because of the armor. Waist, side to side. See, it goes around. Split, not that great on the split because it has this. It has these things. So could only go up to there on the split. That's as far as it goes. If I keep pushing it down, it might pop something. Let's see the Spartan Kick. Spartan Kick is pretty good. Back kick, about that much. It has a tie swivel, double jointed knee, and ankle. It pivots. Tippy toe, really good. Michael Jackson, good. And it goes around. So that's about it on the articulation on this bad boy. Now let's put the different head and try to put the minigun on him, which is gonna be kind of hard because this thing is gonna make it difficult to put the hand close together so he could grab the minigun. Let's see. Well, we'll see. We'll see. So here it is with the wings, the minigun, and the other head that it comes with. This one was a little bit easier than part A for him to hold the minigun, but there's still some let's say level of difficulties there, because he can't grab the minigun on the top like this. It's close to impossible. And again, there's no holster for the knife that he brings. If you see where the knife should go, though, if you have this figure and you know where it's supposed to go, please let me know in the comment. Okay, guys, this was Sippy Toys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Be safe, be blessed, take care.